Alright, got this part out here. Ooh, so windy today. Garbage cans are flying around. So today I'm finishing up a clutch that I started yesterday. I managed to get everything back in. I got the trans back up in the car. Actually pretty much done with it. I just have to top off the gear oil. He wanted me to change his master cylinder, so I'm going to do that today. I'm going to bleed the system, go over everything, make sure I didn't miss anything, which I don't think I did, but always good to do. Then I'm going to get it on the ground and take it for a spin. Alright guys, let me get out there and start putting this thing together. Alright, so we're under the dash, getting ready to pull the master for the clutch. You got a new one. I have to bleed it afterwards. Oops. One. Hopefully I can get that. Gotcha. It's a bit dark under here. Okay, master is loose. Way down there. Fun. Shouldn't be too hard though. I think I just gotta get one. Just gotta disconnect the line. Okay, so it is the line that goes through the fender well. Down, so I don't think that's going to be easy. Wow, this is actually going to be really difficult to change. So definitely isn't the easiest place to work. I don't know how I'm going to get the new one in, quite honestly. Alright, should be able to get that. There's the new one. I hope we can get this back on. Not sure why he's changing it, but that's his request. Let's see. I'm nervous about getting this back on because threading one of these line fittings into an aluminum housing could be a nightmare, especially when it's attached to a line that doesn't want to move around too easily. Let's see this. Alright, got this part out. Well, it is quite dirty in here. It's the old master. Make sure it's the same. It looks identical. Make sure the adjustment on here Looks pretty close. Alright, let's put this one on. Okay, got this one. Just had to put the reservoir hose back on here. Ooh, so windy today. Garbage cans are flying around. Put this guy back in place. Alright. Yeah, should be ready to go back in. Now, what I'm gonna do is just put it in a little bit. This way I can work on this line here. Once I get this line done, we're all done. Well, not done, but the hard part. Why do these guys make this stuff so hard to get to? Stuff like this you really have to be patient with, because if you rush, you can make it a lot worse. Just gotta take your time. Alright, the line's on. Just have to get it in place. Maybe it'll be easier from inside. That was not fun. So sometimes the downside of working by yourself outside is that it'd be nice to have an extra hand, like right now. Wow, I think I made it. Yep, that's the little stud, and there's the other one. Man, that was difficult. Now I gotta just line it up with the pedal, put the pin through, bolt, tighten it up, and I'll be ready to bleed this thing. Alright, so we're under here bleeding the clutch. Lots of fun. Has one with one person. A lot easier with two people. Finally got this going a little bit. It took me a while to get anything out of here. I'm gonna go up and pump the pedal a little bit. We got a nice stiff pedal finally. All right. clutch is done. I'm gonna go for a test drive. Hopefully I don't run out of gas. Well, I'll have to clean the car up a little bit when I get back. I knew I should have took that jacket off. Feels nice. Grab's good. Clutch was completely slipping before. Now it feels nice and tight. All right, this car is all done.